Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, we from group 4, myself, my name is Sarkis Satria, and the second member is Marka Winata, and the last member, actually the third member is Said Muhammad. And in this session, we would like to explain and invite you to discuss our discussion explanation. In this session, we would like to explain about the chapter 10, especially actually this chapter is let me introduce you about the general description. The e-commerce refer to the use of the internet and the web to it is more about digitally enabled commercial transaction and the customer. And digital market is where product or brand are promoted via one or more electrical media. And digital goods, on the other hand, are goods that have been delivered over digital network. And e-commerce is effective and reach customer more efficiently and that's the information about the chapter 10, and we jump study of the case study is to pay or not to pay, about the dilemma of the zakat itself. And the zakat company was established by Jim and Nina Zagat in 1979 as a way to collect and correlate the rating of restaurant by dinner. And Zagat has struggled with the price of the internet to find a model that like how it their first survey were successful and led to them becoming bestseller. They started the survey with 200 people and then increased over time. In addition to the brain book, Zagat opened a United Create custom wide client. It is the business model to ensure success and profitability, and as e-commerce and the internet services expanded. Zagat was seen to have a golden opportunity to move its content from offline to online. And after many Zagat was seen to make in bringing its content onto the web, the most important was so much to charge for this type of content. They put up a paywall and were supported by one of their prominent members, but other members were not for it. So Zagat was surprised by Yelp, Google, and then other similar services provider offer the services for free. And they 2008, but then in 2011, Google purchased the company for $151 million. And Google and Zagat Zagat refused to appear alongside Google search. The pay was removed, and Google also working to move fees on to gain access. Google has included Zagat in working toward incorporating Zagat user-generated content, which led to them being successful and being Yelp in local search. And information before, business challenge of Zagat itself is with the rise of the internet, Zagat was to choose a business model that will best suit its business and will be able to be successful while paying through region. And the select business model or the management content. And can you next the slide? We just Q&A session, which is live 5 questions that will be the second question will be answered by Marga, and the third and fourth question will be answered by Said, and the last member, including the closing, will be presented and explained about by me. And Said, Marga, time is yours. Thank you.
First question A, the first question is evaluate the Zagat using the competitive force and value chain model. And like Arga said before, Zagat is some restaurant guides that provider the restaurant in North America, and the best on this review is a customer review, and Zagat publisher guide and become the of their product. The customers say that with the book and the guide is that depend the customer review, then Zagat is more trusted. And then when we say e-commerce and the era is going to the internet era, some website for the restaurant guide, but this must subscription and must spend the money and purchase. When we say the website, I take one example is Yelp. Yelp is also the competitor from Zagat because their website is free, and also because the online portal Yelp profitable or have some positive aspect that the collection for the Yelp itself is 1,000 of review, and Zagat just have 100 of review. This also can include the value chain analysis for the second question for this value chain model, and Yelp collecting the data many so far so many then rather than the Zagat itself, because Yelp can collecting the data from the thousand of customer, but the Zagat is not. And also in interface for the website, Zagat is not competitive also because he have a lack of button and not user friendly. And after that, he also take a paywall like subscription before for the correlation with the Arga said that the Zagat have a paywall, then because the under paywall this the customer have problematic to when he need the free service, he cannot access the Zagat. And after that, we enter the second question is compare Zagat and e-commerce business model. Who have those model affected its company and web strategy? Zagat Zagat e-commerce business model, Zagat.com. Homepage is streamlined with a minimal number of search boxes and link immediately available. Restaurant review are organized major hub, cheese, and well as popular list of the top restaurant at certain type. Clicking on a restaurant show visitor a portion of the data Zagat maintain on the restaurant. For example, the set show the percentage of users that like the restaurant or not, and several featured review. Many more review of the restaurant are available if the user want to keep uh, scrolling to the bottom. Whereas Yelp e-commerce business model, Yelp front page is much bushier and less streamlined than Zagat, but has a great deal model content available immediately. The front page has list of the most popular restaurant, retail outlet, bars and club, and many other categories. All free to user and free to the customer. Looking for a destination in New York, have review of doctor and destinations that include video but together by the practice to give it more information. Like Zagat.com, Yelp lists are organized into lists of larger cities, but review exists from almost any location you can think of, including less prominent cities and towns. Zagat sold content to consumer and corporation. Zagat review gives info of restaurant than Yelp review, and they are aggregate and given a score. Yelp strategy is to sell local advertisement wherever business exists and to provide free content files. Yelp sell advertising to local business. Yelp has also relied more on individual review instead of distilling review into on one concern only, as a Zagat does. Yep, also to possible unrelated review, which allow top review to gain following and even receive invitation to special event. The drawback of this approach is that many review are for longer than necessary, and individual review may contain distortions or false claim the reputation. And this is the bad, many reviewer and can get the damage reputation for the web. The third question will give by Farooq.
Okay, uh, the explanation question number 3, that already had a market where assemble it before the web and a mobile digital platform come into to market. Another advantage was they already had user-generated content, and they also provide with detailed information of company and quotation. Their data and information was priced and considered, which had an assembled a few and comment of the viewers, since they were not generating money. Advertising their data seemed more trustworthy than their competitor, such as Yelp. Zagat website was designed and developed by professional the major hub cities. The homepage, the Zagat, was streamlined with live search box and link. The more detail were available to customer by just scrolling down. Next, question number 4. Okay, question number 4. The explanation answer is yes. We think the decision of Zagat to keep their content inside in mistake that caused Zagat being out of online market. People surfing web have a number of alternatives when they some content. Some web sheet keep the inside spyware. Customers are this, and they search for some free ones. People and start the web to Google. Google cannot list item inside of pay well, so review and content of Zagat is beyond scope of Google bot. Moreover, Zagat is creator of content. It is review voluntary provided by customer that Zagat aside to make money when all explanation about the question number 4. Next question.
Okay, this is the fifth question, especially actually this is the last question of this our case study. The question is, will Zakat acquisition by Google make it more competitive, and explain our answer? And is that puts Zakat acquisition to more competitive market, although Zakat that affordable to go digital itself. The first one is about uploading your content on the website could make it a universal standard in sharing by all nations using disparate computer. A leading platform distributor for information Google. Squared Zagat including the content viewer by interaction of many computers. Second is the Zagat Refer specially connected in securing and integrate with other portals to recapturing the first. But the point is a Google has advantage. Often the inclusive of Zagat general customer guide format and launched in the local search marketplace to promote its local. This also adds some favor to social site by providing unique information to its user than like the Facebook. Mapping technology with normal search box and link immediately available so that information is streamlined to other homepage designed on Zakat.com. And the last point, your review exists in any location, which in turn challenge Zagat also to add this standard to provide information just about anytime and anywhere, we said before, using internet and web page. So that's all for our explanation, our perspective about the case study, the title of about the Zagat dilemma. Probably if you have another perspective, you can write your perspective in a comment below. And thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.